Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows multiple hepatic metastasis. Liver metastasis means that cancer in one part of the body has spread to person's liver. In these cases, the patient has advanced or stage 4 cancer. Prognosis for liver metastasis tends to be poor with a roughly 11% survival rate for 5 years. You can see the liver and multiple masses, small masses, metastases are seen in the whole length of the hepatic parenchyma. Ultrasound imaging features of liver metastasis from the gastrointestinal tracts are as follows: bull's eye appearance, as you can see in this video. The bull's eye appearance, multiple masses, irregular tumor border, arterial rim-like enhancement, and hypoenhancement in the late vascular phase. You can see the free fluid is seen in the lower abdominal cavity due to the malignancy. A liver metastasis is a cancerous tumor that has spread to the liver from a cancer that started in another place in the body. It is also called secondary liver cancer. Primary liver cancer originates in the liver and most commonly affects the individuals who have risk factors such as hepatitis or cirrhosis. Because liver metastases spread to the liver from another part of the body, they can be very difficult to treat, but with the right approach, remission and even a cure are possible for some patients. Again, you can see the liver having multiple metastases, and each metastasis measures from 1 centimeter to 2.5 centimeter. In this case, if small number of metastases are measure about 3 centimeter diameter. In this case, liver metastases are cancerous tumors that have spread, that is metastasized to the liver from another part of the body. These tumors can appear shortly after the original tumor develops or even months or years later. This information is about cancer and has spread to the liver. This video. Prognosis for liver metastasis tends to be poor with a roughly 11% survival rate for 5 years. Treatment can help reduce the symptoms and shrink the tumor, but typically there is no cure for liver metastasis. Now, the symptoms of the hepatic metastasis, that is secondary liver cancer, the symptoms are an overall feeling of weakness and poor health, loss of appetite, weight loss, then fever, fatigue, bloating, itching, swelling of the legs, that is edema. Now, the clinical presentation of hepatic metastasis is liver metastases are usually asymptomatic and found during investigations of a malignancy which has presented in other ways. If the hepatic metastatic burden is large, then the presentation or symptoms related to the liver disease may include, and these are localized pain and tenderness due to capsular stretching, and then disordered liver metabolic function, then ascites, and a low-grade fever. You can see a mass is also seen in the upper portion of in the right lobe of the liver, just adjacent to the gallbladder. In this case, now the one of the main difficulties in hepatic imaging for metastatic disease is the high prevalence of benign liver lesions that can be misinterpreted as evident of metastatic disease, thus drastically changing a patient's stage and therefore treatment options. Hepatic metastases are tumors that spread to the liver from the other areas of the body. A cancer cell mostly have aggressive tendencies, so they are going to invade other areas of the body. Cancer cells do not cancer cells do so by floating in the blood stream and then replicating themselves in a new place. The liver especially provides a fertile soil for metastatic spread because of its rich blood supply and the presence of humoral factors, other body fluids that promote cell growth. In terms of blood flow per minute, the blood supply of the liver is second only to lung. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.